How to pay Google Ads with your debit card. Really easy and simple. When you log into Google's account, you want to click on the billing icon. Then you want to go ahead and click on summary. Then you just need to click on the add funds button, and then you need to use the drop down to select add new credit or debit card. Okay, select for debit card and then enter your debit card information, your debit card number, your expiration date, and your CVV code. Then just you need to enter your amount that you'd like to make a payment for, and then click on add funds button to review and finish your payment. And if you want to use a card that already exists in your account, do the same thing, billing icon, click on that, click on summary, and click on the add funds button. Just select the existing payment method, in this case your debit card. Just enter your amount you'd like to make a payment for, then click on the add funds button, review, and then go ahead and finish your payment. Really easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.